everyone. We just decided to do an at-home video. These are my two daughters. This is Cameron. This is Maddie. What we're going to do is we are going to make Rice Krispie treats. Most of you guys already have the ingredients.
And then you wash your hands. We don't want those corona.
So we're going to turn around and we're going to wash our hands really good. So,
we're all
washing our
going.
hands.
This is where we sing our ABCs.
We are going to need
Toucher, you won't.
a bag of marshmallows. I like the mini marshmallows, but unfortunately, all we
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
had was the big ones.
Those are the best.
Okay, then you need Rice Krispies. We are going to measure out 6 cups in this measuring cup. And I'm going to have Maddie do this for me right now. Can you measure up 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats?
We also need butter.
Okay, the other thing you need is butter. Let me show you exactly how much butter. Hi, Cameron! Don't be eating the ingredients. What you need to do is, if you read your instructions, it says 4 tablespoons of butter. So if you look on your stick of butter, you can find 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna cut right there.
That's a half a cup. Satisfying.
No, it's 4 tablespoons. It says 4 tablespoons. Cameron doesn't bake much.
What was that?
I bake all
Yeah, she makes actually the most.
Anyway.
Might you put the light on your camera?
Okay, now you're going to take your butter and you're going to put it into your pan. We're going to turn on the oven on low.
Jason?
This is Jason.
He's the best dad.
Wash your hands.
Did you wash your hands?
Are
Don't touch us, you're going to taste
Are
us.
we
Yeah, nice.
coronavirus free?
Yes. So we're going to melt the butter into our dish. Or into...
Someone is not happy.
Stop! You're gonna give us corona.
We're going to melt butter in our pan, okay? On low. Make sure you do it on low.
Say it one more time, please.
Okay, so our butter is almost melted. Our next step is to take a 12-ounce bag of marshmallows. Minus some marshmallows from my daughters who keep eating the marshmallows. So what we're going to do is, your butter is almost melted in your pan, okay? Almost melted. You're going to dump your entire bag into the into the pan and let it melt. Still on low temperature, low to medium. It has to melt completely before you can add the Rice Krispies.
Oh, that's it. Sorry about my dogs.
Okay, this could take a while. You have to melt it all the way till it's smooth, okay? Till it's smooth. This could take about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh no! This is before. All right, we're back. Okay, I forgot to mention that you're going to need a 13 by 9 dish, okay? Get this all ready, 13 by 9. Spray it down with some Pam or some vegetable oil. So you're going to put that in the pan and set it aside, okay? So let me show you what your marshmallows are going to look like. It's pretty creamy.
Yum, it looks like white chocolate.
Okay.
See it?
And then we
But you have to make sure that you mix them the entire time because they will stick.
Yes.
they'll burn too.
And you have to make sure you do it on low. Okay, So now the next step is to add the Rice Krispies into the marshmallows and keep mixing. But while you're doing that, turn off your stove. Turn off the stove.
Oh, you need to be strong.
Muscle
Get
woman.
the marshmallows mixed in really good.
Really good. Wait, we forgot to do the sprinkles.
Oh no, we're gonna do the sprinkles at the end.
Oh yeah, we got sprinkles.
We even got sprinkles. If you guys have some fun sprinkles in your bag of bakery goods, pull them out. You can sprinkle them on top and make them all nice and pretty.
Look at all these yummy little things.
Okay.
Baby, and it's okay. You're not good, and it's okay. You don't need.
Next. Maddie's next.
Sorry. It's way.
Maddie's next.
It's way better.
She is
than
going to
like the
she's going to take the Rice Krispies. We're going to move you over here. She's going to dump it into. That Cameron's doing that part.
Wait, we should
Next thing
flatten
you
them out.
do, the next thing you do is you take a spatula, which I don't know where my spatula is. Hold
Probably
on.
in there. Probably in the middle.
Spatula, you take it and you smash it down into your cookie sheet so it's nice flat. Okay? Then Cameron's going to come by and she is going to sprinkles on top.
Shouldn't we put some of these too?
I like the pink ones.
Okay, do the pink one.
The pink and gold one?
Sure, the pink and gold.
It's like Valentine's Day in March.
Well,
we
we
should do green.
Do green. All
How
right.
about we do everything?
No. You let that cool down for about 30 minutes, and then you cut your Rice Krispies in squares to share with your family.
Thank you for joining us with this Corona Bake Time. Woo! Yeah!
Bye
Now
guys.
you can do
Stay
it
healthy.
yourself.
Keep washing your hands.
Stay healthy with the Rice Krispies.
Yes. All right.
Hooray! À la mode qu'il mange mieux quand il est sale. Bah faudrait peut-être casser les codes d'une fille qui l'ouvre, ce serait normal.